In this video, I'll show you how to add Solana to a Ledger wallet. First, open the Ledger Live app on your computer or mobile device and connect your Ledger hardware wallet. Unlock your device using your PIN and make sure Ledger Live recognizes your device. Next, click My Ledger in the sidebar. If prompted, allow Ledger Manager on your Ledger device. In the app catalog, search for Solana, then click Install. Wait for the installation to finish before moving to the next step. Now, click Accounts in the sidebar, then select Add Account. Choose Solana from the list of supported cryptocurrencies and click Continue. After that, open the Solana app on your Ledger device when prompted. Ledger Live will scan for available Solana accounts associated with your recovery phrase. Once the scan is complete, select the account you want to add and click Add Account. Finally, return to the Accounts section to verify that your Solana account has been added successfully. You can now receive, send, and manage Solana directly from Ledger Live using your Ledger hardware wallet. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Solana to a Ledger wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.